friends, join me as I reset my finances for 2024. We'll be looking at income, expenses, and savings. For my income, let's go into my full-time income. Before CPF, I'm getting paid $3,000. So Aaron and I have an agency that we recently signed clients to, and we're earning $3,000 per person. We also have additional Weeblings incomes from our social media channels. We are hoping to get around $30,000 per person. So if all goes well, hopefully I'll be making $94,000 this year. Let's move on to our expenses. We'll do the sinking funds first. Insurance is about 4.5. Taxes will probably be 2,000. I have weddings to go to. One in particular that is going to be overseas, so 1.5k. Tomorrowland, yes, I'm going again this year. $5,000 for that. I'm not sure what other trips I have planned this year yet, but I'm going to budget about $2,000. So my sinking fund comes up to be about $17,000, which is about $1,400 a month. For my monthly variable expenses, clothes, $200, F&B with friends, I'm giving myself $400, $100 for Grab food and coffee for myself. For miscellaneous, I usually just give myself about $800. For other forms of shopping, $200. For sports, I give myself about $100 a month because of rock climbing. For transport, $250 because I spend a lot of money on transport. I think I'm going to increase my F&B solo to about $250. For my fixed expenses, if we look at my subscription database, I have about $31 a month right now, so I'm budgeting $50 just in case. Another fixed monthly expense would be money that we give to my parents. It's not really an allowance. $800 because I'm gonna be getting a house, but it's for investment purposes and there is someone renting the place. My monthly mortgage is around $150. One more thing, for my sinking funds, I should probably add some money for housing emergency. I'm gonna be leaving $2,000 in here. My total expenses for the year is about just shy of $50,000. That brings us to a yearly saving of $45,800. What we want to do is to make sure we assign all of the money we saved into one of these 3 splits. I actually want to increase my emergency fund. I want to add about $2,000 worth of 6 months expenses, $1,000 per month this year. So altogether, I'll get $12,000, which is 2 times 6. My trading percentage, because I am putting more money into my emergency fund, will be less. Let's play around with $800. I think this looks good. Investing $2,000 per month, putting $1,000 into my emergency fund, and retrading $800. So if we come back up to my dashboard, we'll be able to see my very quick summary of how much I'm earning, spending, and saving monthly and yearly. Thanks for coming along on this reset. I hope you guys are doing yours too.